We started out with a project and ended up with a mission: developing innovative plant-based added-value food products through the promotion of local Mediterranean nut and legume crops. In the process, we connected researchers, food processing SMEs, and cooperatives from Italy, Spain, Portugal, Germany, Turkey, France, Morocco, and Israel. We believe that LocalNutLeg Project has paved a new route throughout the Mediterranean, a route that it's time to share around the globe. Over the last years, LocalNutLeg promoted local Mediterranean nuts and legumes with a legal registered trademark, protected designation of origin (PDO), protected geographical indication (PGI), or autochthonous identity that represent a potential opportunity to Mediterranean countries to balance the sustainability of agri-food resources and dietary habits. The work that all the partners carried out from the ground to the lab and onto the shelves has resulted in innovative food products capable of answering the current consumers' demands in terms of healthiness, convenience, ease of preparation, taste, proximity, and also the high demand for plant-based food products. Just watch. Institute of Agri-Food Research and Technology in Catalonia, Spain has worked with chickpea. Cigrone de la Noia chickpeas were chosen for their unique qualities and historical significance in the Anoia region, central Catalonia. The other product selected was the Llargueta almond variety, chosen for its exceptional quality and historical significance in the region. The Negreta variety of hazelnuts was the third endogenous product selected by IRTA. Working with these three endogenous products, IRTA has created two innovative ones. A new version of the romesco sauce made from the local ingredients including Negreta hazelnuts and Llargueta almonds that enhances the traditional Catalan cuisine with a modern twist. And the hazelnut apple spreadable that offers a nutritious and delicious spread made from high-quality Negreta hazelnuts. In the formulation, apple peel, a byproduct from a local farmer, has been added, which provides sweetness to the final product and improves texture thanks to the apple pectin.
These food products are split in three categories, like plant-based milk analogs, plant-based gluten-free flours for the development of pasta and bakery products. And also the third part is to develop innovative plant-based food as ready-to-eat foods.
In a similar way to adding value to the local chickpea variety, Cigrone de la Noia, a Spanish partner, Conserves Ferrer, a Catalan company with a long tradition in developing canned products, has incorporated this chickpea variety into the highly popular hummus product. They've given it a distinctive twist by adding flavorful ingredients such as piquillo peppers, truffle, and sun-dried tomatoes. Almonds have always occupied a prominent place in Catalan and Spanish gastronomic tradition. A lot of sweets and cakes have almond as main ingredient, like tarta de Santiago, turrón, pañales, manjar blanc. Almonds are also used in traditional sauces, romesco and its derivatives. For LocalNutLeg Spanish partner Unio Nuts has developed blanched almond paste, an innovative product that can be used in the elaboration of plant-based products, although it could be spread directly on bread.
Unio Nuts is a cooperative of nuts in Reus, Spain, and we are participating in LocalNut projects. First as a nut provider to the other partners, and we are doing new developments.
In Portugal, more collab in partnership with the company Sortgel selected the PDO Chestnut Terra Fria as endogenous product to work with. The main objective was to promote a protected designation of origin, PDO, product linked to the Trás-os-Montes region of Portugal. By adding innovation to this endogenous product, More Collab developed two new products, Chestnut Couscous and Chestnut Spreadable. Chestnut Couscous recreated a traditional product from the Trás-os-Montes region, Barbella wheat couscous, in line with the current consumer trends for gluten-free foods. To this end, the Barbella wheat flour has been replaced with chestnut flour, while maintaining a traditional manufacturing process. Chestnut Spreadable was developed as a healthier alternative with a lower sugar content to the spreads available on the market.
The project has a relatively big consortium, a lot of partners from different countries, different cultures. So it was a great pleasure to be part of it, and we learned a lot. And I really think that now we can try to exploit this in the market and try to get the impact that we wished for when we did the proposal.
I do my research mostly in the Mountain Research Center. I am a partner of LocalNutLeg. For me, it was a really great privilege when I received the invitation from IRTA to be part of this consortium. At the beginning, we had a lot of expectations because we were going to work in novel foods. We were going to discover new ingredients that could be incorporated in these different amazing products that we obtained at the end of the project. So the main focus of IPB in LocalNutLeg was to do the chemical characterization, but also the functional, the bioactive properties of more than 60 products from legumes and from nuts. We analyzed more than 30 legumes from 7 different varieties of different species, from lentils, carob, beans, fava, among others that I'm not going to mention here, but you can imagine all chickpea, for example, that has a really big content of protein also, that was really used in different production of different products at the end of the project also. But we also did the analysis and the research of the bioactive functionalities of these bioactive compounds that could give functionality when we incorporate these type of ingredients in our system to give us more healthy products at the end, which is the main reason that this project was conceived.
Israeli partner chickpea company selected chickpeas, the second most consumed legume globally and especially popular in the Mediterranean region. Chickpea company created chickpea puffs. Coated with barbecue and falafel flavors, this extruded product is a vegan, gluten-free, and allergen-friendly snack that is rich in protein, making it a healthy alternative to traditional snacks. Produced through extrusion and coated with a thin layer of oil and seasoning, it offers an exceptional mouthfeel experience and watering while delivering excellent nutritional value and numerous health benefits.
In terms of PDCAS, in terms of the fact that it is a whole protein, and has a great taste and odor that at the end of the day, this is what we care about when we choose our foods.
Also in Israel, the product developed in Tel Hai College Tempos is based on the traditional Indonesian food tempeh, which is originally made of soybeans and has become widespread in many countries due to its nutritional characteristics. From a technological point of view, Tempos is a simple, clean labeled food product based only on 2 ingredients by a controlled fermentation process of lupin seeds by the fungi Rhizopus oligosporus, resulting in a bounded cake form of lupins.
We are also working on the development of new food products, innovative food products that are plant-based, and that can meet the demands and the needs for meats analogs and milk analogs products with a valorized nutritional value.
LocalNutLeg partner agricultural research organization has found great potential in Lupinus pilosus, commonly known as blue lupin, a native to the eastern Mediterranean region. This wild legume has never been domesticated before as a commercial crop. Only 4 other lupin species are used as crops for food and feed. The Israeli team is studying the potential of recruiting Lupinus pilosus as a novel crop.
For this mission, we are bringing wild lupins from Israel to see if we can use them as a novel food and novel crop. And we also bring almonds to cultivars of almonds and wild carobs from Israel and try to see if we can produce a novel food.
Hazelnuts and white beans hold significant importance for Turkey, both economically and culturally. Hazelnuts are deeply ingrained in Turkish culinary traditions, used in a variety of dishes, sweets, and desserts. They are also consumed as snacks and are an essential ingredient in Turkish delight, LEGUME, and baklava. White beans are a staple in Turkish cuisine, commonly used in a popular traditional dish called kuru fasulye. With these indigenous products, Izmir Institute of Technology formulated a range of gluten-free breads enriched with various combinations of white bean flour and hazelnut flour.
But our involvement doesn't stop there. We've taken these flours and used in the development of gluten-free cookie and bread formulations. These formulations are not only delicious, but also optimized considering their physical, chemical, nutritional, and sensory attributes.
Also in Turkey, partners Bursa Uludağ University Department of Food Engineering and Umpa Patisserie developed kumbe, a traditional cookie in Turkey using chestnut and hazelnut flour. Chestnuts linked to the Giresun region and hazelnuts linked to the Aden region are precious raw materials due to their high nutritional value and gluten-free properties. For this reason, chestnut and hazelnut flours are important in developing functional food products.
Individuals with gluten intolerance and gluten allergy cannot consume foods containing gluten. There are a limited number of foods on the market for people who prefer to consume gluten-free products.
Kumbe is a traditional cookie made with flour, butter, milk, sugar, sesame oil, and different type of spice, and then pressed into a special shape. The gluten-free kumbe is produced by using chestnut flour and hazelnut flour instead of wheat flour, and other ingredients is traditional type. In this project, we developed the gluten-free kumbe formulation and production parameters and carry out product characterization. We work together with Umpa Patisserie, a second-generation family company, in the production of gluten-free kumbe. We are very happy and proud that our production is liked by consumers. The LocalNutLeg Project was very experienced for us.
We're still in Turkey, where partner Urla Women Entrepreneurship Production and Management Cooperative selected hazelnut and chickpea koçbaşı for their LocalNutLeg innovative products. UKKOOP has developed 3 products. Gluten-free ravioli with gluten-free chickpea flour and artichoke filling is designed as a healthy main menu for people with intolerance. Turkish ravioli with artichoke as a healthy and vegetable-filled alternative to ravioli, which is widely consumed in Turkey and around the world. And hazelnut cookies with hazelnut flour rich in vitamins and fatty acids.
Sustainability is the means that when you learn from your grandfather, grandmother, then you have to develop it and to make it to your son and daughters. This is the sustainability. So this project is very important all around the world and also a Mediterranean area of. So it is very important for us. We are not alone.
In France, partner INRAE, in partnership with La Mandorle, has created a fermented almond drink to propose a plant-based, hedonic and functional alternative to fermented milks.
The aim is to produce innovative fermented products which will be adapted to vegan people, for instance, to people who don't consume milk anymore, and who will be adapted to this growing amount of people who suffer from disorders of the intestine linked with inflammation, for instance. That's the kind of aim we have in this project.
We developed with our approach of the pre-cooked cereals. The second development is, which is very interesting for us, is the development of a cheese, yogurt and a cheese with a vegetal milk, a vegetal beverage.
In the LocalNutLeg Project, we are working closely with INRAE to disseminate the final results of the project, so we will be part of the final part of the project.
Partners INRAE and Fraunhofer connected France and German innovation expertise to create almond and chickpea yogurt to propose a plant-based, hedonic and functional alternative to yogurts.
It's also a project when you are interaction with other people from other sources of interest also, and it's very challenging also to make exchange with people from around all the Mediterranean area and also from all the different types of products we can make, and we hope that we'll show that fermentation is a good point and can enhance also to have new products with different properties at the end.
I was very surprised. The partners provided so many seeds, and with almost all of them we were able to produce tasty milk analogues. So this was surprising, the variety we could provide in the project with different products.
In Italy, partners University of Milan and Zini worked together to create a quick frozen cooked gnocchi from pea, red lentil and chickpea. Legume gnocchi is a new way to provide consumers with the beneficial effects of legumes, gluten-free, clean label, using only the ingredients needed. Vegan, but above all, very rich in flavor. Delicious and super versatile, the new legume gnocchi can become a main course, a side dish or a delicious and crunchy aperitif. Gnocchi are a fun, original and delicious alternative to a very healthy portion of legumes. They are easy to prepare and require only a few minutes cooking.
Here in Milan, we are working on the development and optimization of fresh pasta and dried pasta with legume flours. As for fresh pasta, we developed a similar gnocchi pasta type that is a typical product in Italy, usually made with potato, but we are doing them only using legume flours and water and a little bit of salt. They are very quick to use, so they are quite good for consumers, appreciated by consumers.
The region of Marrakesh has been producing almonds for centuries, especially in the Atlas Mountains. Partner Moroccan Almonds International has developed marzipan and crunchy turron, two traditional Spanish products using local varieties of almonds. Marzipan a product with high protein content and gluten-free, has a long history in Spanish confectionery. Moroccan Almonds International has molded it into small portions and presented it with various plant-based designs, adding a unique touch to this classic. Crunchy Turrón, another iconic Spanish treat, is a mixture of roasted almonds and honey. Like marzipan, it is high in protein and gluten-free, offering a healthy and delicious option rooted in both Spanish and Moroccan culinary traditions.
Not only a product, but what is behind that product, how it's made, the process, the story of the company, and where the product comes from.
So we'll make the consumer study analysis. So we'll give this product to consumer to test them and to let us know if they like it or not, and what are the main expectation and the main impression of this kind of products. And in the third step, we will try to join stakeholders, companies who are producing, retailer, researcher, consumer.
We are so proud because we achieve our main goals. We have developed more than 80 prototypes, and some of them are already on the market. So I think that our main goal was to connect our local producers with the consumers. And I think that we achieved this with the big efforts of all the consortium that under these 20 partners, under these 8 countries, doing efforts in promoting these local legume and nuts crops on their different innovation products and innovation processes.
Thanks to LocalNutLeg, we are now navigating the Mediterranean via innovation, and the future looks plant-based.